Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix security policy prevents the installation of this application error on your Samsung phone. If you're getting this error message when you're trying to install something, you want to follow these steps. Very first thing you want to start by doing is going to your setting. And in your settings here, you're going to want to go ahead and to your security and privacy. And under security and privacy here, we're going to go down and check on more security setting. And in the more security setting here, we're going to scroll until we see install unknown application. For this one, we need to ensure that we allow of installation of unknown apps, specifically the browser that you're looking to do. So if you're doing it on maybe the Samsung browser, you want to make sure this is turned on. Similarly, if you're using a Chrome one, you want to make sure it's on for it, or any other browser that you're using, for example, Firefox, if you're allowing that installation to happen. Now, you want to allow basically installing unknown application. Additionally, where you have device admin apps, if you see an app that has been turned on for protection, you need to turn that off. So if you have a app that you here have something on, you want to turn that toggle off. For example, here you might be prompted for a password. If it is the case, you want to go ahead and do that. So go back and then disable any admin apps. Now, along with that, you want to go back here and then you want to go back and disable auto blocker, because auto blocker will go ahead and prevent you from installing a lot of different apps because of security threat. You might want to turn this off and try installing and then turn it back on, as it can prevent that. Now, along with that is you want to check if your phone is being managed by basically your organization, company, your school, wherever it is. In that case, in the settings, if you go to accounts and backup, click on manage account. If your device is managed within an organization or someone else, you need to ask the admin or the administrator to basically allow you to install that application, because that's going to prevent you from installing the app as well. Now, if all of this set is good, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is simply restart your phone. So you're going to pull down the top menu, click on power icon, restart, or use the volume down on the side button, restart as well. A quick restart will fix it. Now, if it's still not fixed, you want to go ahead and make sure that you basically update your phone software. So in your settings, you're going to go for software update, check for new update. If there's an update, go ahead and update your phone, as a previous update might be causing you to not be able to install that app. And that's it. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.